Our lead story tonight, a federal proposal that could have a huge impact on New Mexico. It would completely change how authorities decide whether to charge an officer following a fatal shooting. New Mexico Congresswoman Michelle Lujan Grisham is co-sponsoring that bill. The Grand Jury Reform Act would require the governor to appoint a special prosecutor to investigate all fatal officer-involved shootings. The special prosecutor would present the results to a judge in a probable cause hearing. By doing that, the process would be public, removing the shroud of secrecy in a grand jury process. Proponents hope the bill will also remove potential conflicts of interest, an issue DA Kerry Brandenburg ran into when dealing with the shooting death of James Boyd.
Given, in particular, Albuquerque's situation, where we've had so many fatal shootings, and in fact that we never had an indictment of a police officer until recently, it begs the question about, are there inherent conflicts in these systems that ought to be addressed?
Local law enforcement agencies would have to comply with this new system in order to receive certain federal funding.
Congresswoman says there is a major problem with how our country investigates police shootings.
Action 7 News reporter Megan Cruz tells us her proposed legislation and what she's looking to change.
Doug and Shelley, it's called the Grand Jury Reform Act, and it's proposing a change in who will investigate these police shootings. Congresswoman Michelle Lujan Grisham says there's no denying it. People across the country are losing faith in their police departments and those charged with holding them accountable. She says the mistrust stems from there being a significant number of police shootings, and yet
there are no investigations, no prosecutions, no indictments.
So in an attempt to regain the public's trust, Lujan Grisham is co-sponsoring a bill called the Grand Jury Reform Act. It's proposing that local district attorneys step aside and instead governors would select special prosecutors to investigate police shootings.
Appropriate individuals who don't day-to-day have a relationship with the very officers that they might then have to prosecute.
Here in Albuquerque, there's been more than 40 police-involved shootings since 2010. Of those, 28 were fatal. The Bernalillo County District Attorney's Office is responsible for investigating these shootings. A month ago was the first time the DA's office has filed charges against an officer. Keith Sandy and Dominic Perez are now facing murder charges in connection to the shooting death of James Boyd. City attorneys have since asked that a special prosecutor look into police shootings to avoid any conflict of interest. While that has yet to be resolved, the mayor weighs in on Lujan Grisham's bill.
So it's a little too early to tell, but I think the fact that everybody's trying to do the right things here bodes well for our community and communities around the country.
And we just got a statement from the governor's office. Again, under the proposed bill, she would select the special prosecutors. The statement read in part that district attorneys should utilize other district attorneys or the attorney general when a true conflict of interest exists. We also reach out to the DA's office. A spokesperson declines an interview. APD says it'll watch this bill through the legislative process. Back to you.
The bill also says the special prosecutor would then present their findings to a judge who would determine if there's probable cause to charge an officer.
Congresswoman Michelle Lujan Grisham is co-sponsoring federal legislation calling for a special prosecutor in each state to investigate deadly police shootings. If passed, every governor would appoint an independent prosecutor who would decide if an officer should face charges. Lujan Grisham says with the spike in police shootings here and across the country, the law is needed to remove potential conflicts of interest for local prosecutors who work closely with police. Bernalillo County DA Kerry Brandenburg recently charged 2 APD officers with murder for the death of James Boyd. There have been calls to kick her off the case because of a conflict of interest.
Mexico representative is co-sponsoring federal legislation calling for a special prosecutor in each state to investigate deadly police shootings. If passed, every governor would appoint a prosecutor who would decide if an officer should face charges or not. Congresswoman Michelle Lujan Grisham says that law is needed to remove potential conflicts of interest for prosecutors who work very closely with police. Bernalillo County DA Kerry Brandenburg recently charged 2 APD officers with murder. There have been calls to kick her off the James Boyd case because of a conflict of interest.
Mexico lawmaker calls for a special prosecutor to investigate officer-involved shootings. U.S. Representative Michelle Lujan Grisham said Wednesday she wants to push after several high-profile cases in Albuquerque and Ferguson, Missouri. The proposal calls for special prosecutors to present their findings to a judge during a probable cause hearing. No word on when or if the proposal will come up for a vote.
Well, there might be changes how police shootings are handled in court. New Mexico Congresswoman Michelle Grisham is pushing legislation that would make governors appoint special prosecutors. They would present findings to a judge during a probable cause hearing.